All right, it's time for you to get a little bit of practice with what we've learned in the past few videos. I'd like you to make a table and insert some values into that table according to these instructions. Create a table called people. It should have 3 columns. First name is a piece of text or a string, 20 characters or fewer. Last name, same thing. And age is a number. I guess we all know age is only a number. Very funny. Really, though, age is just an integer here. Once you've done that, I'd like you to insert your first person. You don't have to follow these exact names if you don't want to type them out, but I'd like you to insert this person, Tina Belcher, who's 13. Bob Belcher is 42. And then do a multiple insert and get these 3 all in one go. And then you can just delete the whole table if you want. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to bother making a new database. I'm just going to do it right here inside of my, what is this, pet shop? Sure. We're also selling humans for a pet shop. Okay, so go ahead and try this and pause. Please pause, because I'm about to go over the solution, and I hope you try it on your own first. So here we go. We're going to create a people table, first name, last name, and age. I guess I'll do this from the shell. So create table people. All right. And then let's do a couple spaces just to format it fancy. We'll do first underscore name is a varchar 20. And then last underscore name is the same thing, varchar 20. And then age is an int. I'll close my parens. Close the semicolon or add the semicolon. That looks good. Let's double check. Describe people. And that's good. First name varchar, last name varchar, age int. Now let's insert this first person. Tina Belcher is 13. So we'll do insert into people. And the order is just up to us, but let's say first name, last name, age. And then values, we'll have Tina Belcher 13. And let's verify, select star from people. Looks good. Tina Belcher 13, first name, last name, age. All right. So next up, we've got a second person. Bob Belcher is 42. So I'll do it again from the command line. Of course, you can do these from anywhere that you can run a MySQL query, but I'll do an insert. Honestly, well, sure, I'll just retype the whole thing, but I was going to say I can just recall this line, and I might save myself some time, but it's all right. We'll do insert into people, first underscore name, last underscore name, and age, values, and then we have Bob Belcher 42. Select star from people, and we see both of them. Great. So the last thing we'll do is our multi-insert, and I think I'll do this one from a file just to make it easier to type. So we've got Linda Belcher, 45, and I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch me type the whole thing, but let's type the query. Select, why do I keep saying select? Insert into people, and let's do first name again, last name, age, and then our values. Now, I am going to have to refresh over here in the workbench so I see my people table show up. There it is. Okay, so we're working with Pet Shop, which has a people table, and the first person we're inserting is it Linda Belcher, I think? I don't remember her age. She is supposed to be 45. Okay, and then the next person, add a comma in there. Philip Frond, who's 38. And then we have one more person, which is Calvin. And I don't know how you spell fish odor. Fischoeder. Who is 70? Is that what it said? All right. Close enough. And if I really wanted to be particular, I can line these up. It doesn't matter at all. Put my semicolon in there. Execute the query. And do we know if it worked? Well, we don't get an error message. We get a check mark, which is good. It says 3 rows affected. That's also good. But I can do a select star from people And now we see our 3 additions that we made in one go with one insert. And then the last thing I was going to do, which is not really in the instructions, is drop people. Drop table people, goodbye, and all of our people are gone. If I try and select star, nothing happened. Well, it's not that nothing happened. We get an error because there are no people, or rather, there is no people table. Okay, so that's our little exercise. Next up, we've got more to learn. Obviously, a lot left.